Every time, bring money. They collect money from husband. You know the only money that they collect, then they collect insult, join them. One day, the husband said, come, you go get sense now. School fees na me, house rent na me, feeding na me. Which one be your own? Now to just do the pump. You know some men get bad mouth. So if you are always collecting from husband, one day you go collect insult wey go make you remember your past. Shey you remember? There are insults wey dey make person remember im papa and mama house. Hey, why I no just go school finish? Why I not just learn work finish? I mean they call it 10 minutes. And this man tell me that they say he love me, he will die for me. Now they tell me this. You don't know, say every man when they look for what you want, they get sweet mouth. And now you get sense. See, there is no man that is not happy. Say if I bring 100,000, my wife bring 20,000, join her. You will become how much?
120.
120. Increase or be no increase?
Increase.
Waiting 120 go buy, 100,000 go fit buy her. Every man wants, if I bring my wife to bring something. Let me say you go sit down your house and I go for you. I go bring money for you. I go bring for you. So when you have definition that if this business succeed, I will not go receive insult. My husband not go look down on me. My husband too go respect me. Before he come from work, I don't already prepare food for her. With my own money, and he come without his own money, you don't already see food chop. My dear, if that man dey work out outside, he go reduce am. Abi you no understand? When house no sweet, na man dey look for women outside, he dey spend for them. When house sweet, man no dey see outside. So when you can define your business, when your husband open for you, say this business, it will give me joy, it will give me progress, it will give me success, it will give me honor, it will give me peace of mind, it will give me respect for my husband house, for my children. This work, then you are giving definition to that business. You go take a joke, you go take a play, you go buy chicken in the afternoon, every afternoon you must buy chicken chop, cow leg. Tozo, you must buy chop for afternoon. Pounded yam or rice, fried rice. Will you be spending money on that? You will manage because you have definition. Brother, define your life. If you are going to succeed in life, define your life. If you cannot define your life, you have no direction. And if you have no direction, you are a smoke. Smoke no get direction. Even erosion on ground, you get direction. The smoke, they know they buy smoke, they know they sell smoke. And smoke is useless. If you enter your eye, it will pepper you. If you enter nose, it will pepper you. If you enter mouth, nobody likes smoke. Then you become a smoke if you have no direction. I pray for somebody this morning. You are going to have direction in your life.
Amen.
Your life shall be meaningful. Amen. When you are learning work, you will learn and will thinking of how to become a better person.
Amen. And
anything you are doing in life, you will do and well from your heart. You will concentrate. May the Lord help us this morning. Now, I want to tell you number 2 things that the Lord tell me. This is not my message, I don't know why. I was lying down here and the Lord said, what is love? What is love? Baby girl, oh, you are beautiful. I love you. I want to marry you. Anytime I see you, I know they face me. I dey always think, I dey worry about you. I don't go feel you without you. What is that? What is that? But is it really love?
No, sir.
Tongue way is sweet now, say they talk. Get the finish.